Unboxing of Roland piano. Model FP-90X. Excuse. Masama ka. Thank you to FJK for ordering this piano for us. Buy from FJK only. Okay, so the piano has this is the power supply, and this is the let me check. Manual and the pedal. Okay, so let's set this aside to the side. Okay, and now we have a so this is the another manual and chord notes holder. And now we have the piano. The piano is heavy. I will put it on the floor. Excuse, upper. Okay, so pull off the sides. Other side. You want to play with the piano now? No. So here we have the piano itself. Roland FP-90X. So there we have it. Thank you for watching, and I will be posting another video for once we test the piano. Okay? Again, thank you to FJK for the piano.